Hi everyone! Have you ever seen that many times t-shirts have very unique designs with logos that you have not seen before? Not only t-shirts, sometimes it's mugs, tote bags, and different items. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mockup in Canva. First of all, we're going to go to canva.com. Here on the upper right part, we're going to click on create a design. And you're going to have some different options. In this case, we're going to click on Instagram post. A new window will open with a blank square. And if you already have your logo created and ready to use it, you can upload it. In this case, we're going to do it from the beginning, and I'm going to show you how to create the logo. So on the left part, we're going to click on apps, and then we're going to search for logo maker. Here, we're going to choose our first option, that is a lion icon. And here it is going to ask you to describe the logo, and for this you can be as specific as you want. For example, I'm going to put something simple like coffee cups, and when you have it ready, you're going to click on create. It might take a few seconds or minutes to have the logo ready, and here I have mine. As I told you before, you can be as specific as you want. Mine is a simple one. So now we're going to do the magic. On the upper part, you're going to click on edit image. And we're going to go all the way down, and on apps you're going to click on mockups. And here you will find many options: maps, videos, smartphones, and so many more. In this case, we're going to choose the t-shirt. We're going to click on it, and after a few seconds, our example is going to appear. In this case, my t-shirt with my logo. You can make the picture bigger, and here a logo appears in the center, but this can be customized. So for this, we're going to click on the left part, Smart Crop. Now we can put our logo on the top, on the left, on the middle, center, bottom, right. And also, you can change the color of your t-shirt. I want mine brown, and after this, we're going to click on continue. And then we're going to have our example ready. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!